Alright, so this is the system that I have been the most nervous to test, mainly because I don't have any duplicates of it, and I also don't have any spare components for it. I probably don't need to tell you what it is. But I have found, once again, that the clear-cut winner is Philips WarmGlow. Dim them down. They light up nicely. No strobing, no flicker. There's some weird hiccups when you turn the bulbs on and also when you dim them. I haven't given them any long-term testing, so I'm not sure how forgivable that is. But these appear to be the bulb that works the best with this system. Run it through the demonstration cycle, let you see that. So I suspected that the WarmGlow bulbs, or rather any LED I could test with this system, would behave similarly to IntelliTouch, or to how they do on IntelliTouch. Mainly because both systems were designed by Ed Hart and they're very similar electrically. The only difference is HomeStar uses variable timed frequency signaling. IntelliTouch uses fixed time frequencies. But if you want more info on that, you can see Dan Spiffy Newman's video, workbench video on Ed Hart. Talks all about IntelliTouch, Comfort Touch, a few early predecessors, and HomeStar. And that's all for this video.